Dear students, welcome to PISQ Virtual Learning Program. I'm your chemistry teacher with a new lesson. I hope you are doing well and staying safe at home. Before starting our new topic, let's recap what we studied last time. In the last lesson, we discussed the reaction between metal and acid. We also studied a test to detect hydrogen gas. Dear students, in today's lesson we will discuss the reaction of an acid with metal carbonate. You will see a test for the detection of carbon dioxide gas. The last topic will be the reaction between lead carbonate and nitric acid.
Dear students, what are carbonates? Carbonates are the chemical compound that contains carbon and oxygen joined together. For example, calcium carbonate, whose formula is CaCO3. You can see limestone and calcium carbonate in the given picture. Limestone is made of calcium carbonate, which contains calcium, carbon, and oxygen.
Dear students, let's see how this metal carbonate reacts with acid. All metal carbonates react with dilute acids to give off carbon dioxide gas and a solution of metal salt provided the salt is soluble. This reaction takes place at room temperature, no heat is needed. During the reaction, fizzing or effervescence is usually seen and heard. Like hydrogen, carbon dioxide is a colorless and odorless gas. Carbon dioxide reacts with lime water, which is an aqueous solution of calcium hydroxide. If CO2 is bubbled through lime water quickly turns from a colorless to a cloudy white solution. Watch this video carefully to understand how this test is actually performed in the lab.
Carbon dioxide will extinguish a lit splint, but the same occurs in the presence of ammonia. A more accurate test is to bubble carbon dioxide through lime water, which is an aqueous solution of calcium hydroxide, also known as slaked lime. Lime water turns milky in the presence of carbon dioxide due to the formation of calcium carbonate.
Dear students, I hope you understand so far. Let's see how lead carbonate reacts with nitric acid. When lead carbonate is added to nitric acid, carbon dioxide gas bubbles off. Enough lead carbonate must be added to react with all of the acids. Any lead carbonate that has not reacted is removed by filtering. The filtrate is carefully heated to evaporate the water. A white compound is left behind. This compound is lead nitrate. Dear students, this model shows that what happens in the reaction. Notice in this reaction 2 molecules of nitric acid react with 1 molecule of lead carbonate. Dear students, many of you know that some cake recipes use flour and baking powder. Baking powder is a mixture of sodium hydrogen carbonate and tartaric acid called cream of tartar. It is used to make cake rise during cooking. You know how it happens. When bicarbonate of soda is heated or react with an acid, carbon dioxide gas is given off. The carbon dioxide gas bubbles make the cake rise. To know more about the reaction of metals and acid, follow the given link. Dear students, in today's lesson, you learn some new word. You are required to find their meanings. Words are lime water, lead nitrate, nitric acid, effervescence. Dear students, let's summarize what we studied today. We studied how metal carbonate reacts with acid using the example of lead carbonate and nitric acid. We also studied a test to identify carbon dioxide gas. I hope you understand the lesson. If you have any question, feel free to ask. Dear students, watch this video again to better understand the topic. Solve the attached worksheet to test your concepts. This is all for today. Thank you for being attentive during the lesson. Take care. Stay home, stay safe.